Hi everyone, this is a different kind of video today. I really just wanted to ask for help on learning Python. So I'm trying to get into programming and just learning about it so I can program things, learn coding. I started with Python since I heard it was the easiest language to learn. And I was wondering what would be good steps in learning? Because I know a mistake a lot of programmers make early on is they try to go for something too ambitious or too difficult. And I want to try to learn this in the best way I possibly can. So I have Python and PyCharm installed, and I've watched a few tutorials, and I think I'm starting to learn it, but there's still a lot to go. I kind of just I've been exposed to it, but there's not much I'm really struggling to remember a lot of the stuff. And I know that there's good steps and goal marks and milestones I can try to set. So I was wondering what you guys think I should do as a schedule. My plan so far has just been learning a bit each day and just trying to figure it out, but I feel like that's probably not the best approach. I know a big part of the steps you should take revolve around what your end goal is. So the things I kind of want to do with Python are I think designing some games could be good or fun, but that's a bit too ambitious for now, I think. So maybe making a basic calculator that can calculate inferential statistics like the Pearson correlation coefficient or the t-table. Anything like inferential statistics, pretty much. Because that's something I would definitely use on my own. And this is pretty much about it. I don't know much of what to do on my own, and I figured I'd ask in case any of you guys know. So if you have any advice or feedback, please tell me. I'd love to hear it. You can either leave a comment on this video, or if if you're from one of the discords that I shared this video in, feel free to DM me anything. I'd love to learn. So thank you guys for listening. Have a great day.